Now, what happens if I want to write to that Excel file? We're going to write to the file in this case. For example, let's write in column A, rows, but let's see how we do it. We're going to put text entered from Rocketbot. So what happens then? Here I'm going to be in A6 in this case because I'm in the A rows. Now what I'm going to do is the following. I'm going to set a variable, and for rows I'm going to add one, and I'm going to save this result in rows. So I'm going to run this, right? I'm going to write, and if you notice, now I'm going to count the rows in this Excel file. Notice that there are 7. Alright, let's clear it. If I count the data rows, in this case it's going to give me 7. Okay, now let's do the same thing, but with Excel. Why? Because this way we'll be able to see the result in this case. So, I'm going to put rows plus 1. Let's save this variable in rows. Let's run this and let's write in section A, specifically rows. B, now let's write in B. B, rows, so that the result can be seen. In this particular case, let's carefully put text that has been entered from Rocketbot, right? Alright, here we're going to let's save the previous file. Let's save it in the same place where we're working. Okay. Perfect. We save it and we're going to work on that one. Now I'm not going to run this one, but instead I'm going to run everything completely. Remember that what we did was write in a 7 or A rows with except XLSX, and we're going to write, we're going to take that file we've saved, open it again, run the entire Excel robot, and see what we get. And we're going to save this one as well. That is, here we wrote in A7, text entered from Rocketbot, we saved it, and we're going to open that saved file with Excel and write in B7, in this case, and see what it gives us. Alright, here we run everything again. Look here, text entered from Rocketbot. This is what we did with XLSX. And then here, text entered from Rocketbot. This is what we entered with Excel. Notice that we can work simultaneously with one or the other, as long as we keep saving the file so the other can access it and so on. Alright, this is the way you can write to Excel, read from Excel, and get and count the rows in Excel. Alright, I hope this was helpful for you. Let's save. Always remember to save. Alright, I hope this was helpful and I'll see you in the next class. Thank you very much.